Fuck, man. I feel so sorry for this dog, yeah. Like, serio, bro. Fucking dude never feeds them, never gives them water and shit. Never, bro. They don't give him shit, dude. Look, I'm the one that's giving him water. Look at this little poor thing, eh? Like, he hasn't eaten in days, bro. He probably hasn't eaten in like a week and shit. The last time I fed him was like a week, because I hardly come over here. Man, that's fucking sad, eh? I mean, why the fuck do they want a dog? You know, you feel me? Like, look at him, bro. He's trying to get over here and shit. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. You want some food, Brody? You want some food? Look at him, bro. It's fucked up, eh? That shit just breaks my fucking heart, eh? Yeah, they're just little animals, eh? You feel me? Look at them, dude. That's fucked up, dude. Like, this fool just wants to have, you know, just wants to play. He just wants to eat. Like a normal dog. You feel me? Oh, bro, I'm gonna get you out of there, bro. I'm gonna get you out of there, alright? Don't cry, homie. That is fucked up, eh? On the real, eh? That's fucked up. Poor little creature, eh? Yeah, it's fucked up, dude. This nigga's fucking hungry and shit, eh? You hungry, bro? You trying to break that piece of wood? Oh, yeah, he's trying to make a little. He's trying to crawl his way out of there. You feel me? Look, he's trying to make a little tunnel and, you know, get out of that fucking hell he's living right there. Look at him, man. Yeah, shit. He's trying to break that shit, eh? You haven't seen that shit? Like, that's just that's how terrified he is, just being there. You feel me? Come on, boy. Look at that. I think he's bleeding from all that biting he does and shit. Stay there, boy. Stay there, boy. Don't. You're gonna hurt yourself, buddy. Yeah, bro. That's fucked up. Gosh, man. Poor little thing, man. I don't know. Just comment. What do you think I should do with this dog? What do you think? I should just get him out and take him to the SPCA, or you know, or just let him go. Cause you know he's gonna die in here, bro. Like, this nigga don't even have a house. He's fucking sleeps in the garage. You feel me? Like, he sleeps in the garage. He doesn't even have a house. You know, it rained last night, and you know this fool was getting wet. You know, he was just sitting down in the rain, you know, all sad and shit. That's fucked up, eh? Like, fuck. I don't know what to do with this dude, eh? But that sucks seeing this guy every day, you know. You know, fucking the owner comes home and he fucking, I can hear him kicking him. I mean, he fucking kicks him like if he was a soccer ball and shit, you know? Like, fuck. That's fucked up. This was like, you know, he gets here and he can get, you know, he's trying to, you know, greet his owner, you know, jump on him and shit, and then this one just kicks him like if he was a fucking piece of trash and shit. That's why he's fucking, you know, he's sad. He's trying to get out of there because, yeah, man, it's fucked up. Good job, boy. Good job.